Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we will learn how to update mass in bulk records. Let's say if we want to update multiple records with some fields value or something to change, like instead of one by one to change in bulk. Let's say here we can see this is cancelled, and if we open this sales order and here the button set to quotation, so it will come here in the quotation stage, right? So to do one by one we can do this using a server action. Let's say we can select here and execute some action here. So we will learn in this video how to create this kind of actions to update multiple record, right? So for this we can use server actions to perform this kind of actions. So for that we need to activate the developer mode. I have already activated, and we can go to settings, technical, and here if we scroll down and we can see server action, and we can create a new one. Let's say set uh, to quotation. Let's say we can give this name, and we can select here this kind of different types. So we need to update the record, so we can update record, we can create activity, send email, SMS, add follower, we can do anything, like any different operations. So for now we are just updating records, and we will select here this for sales order. So we'll select this sales application, and if you want to allow this action to only visible for a specific user, let's say for the administrator, let's say, then we can select sales administrator, right? So for now we just make this as blank, and here to set this cancel to quotation, right? So we are updating stage. So here we will select the stage, and we will set the value to quotation, right? And we will save, and here we click here create contextual action. It means it will add this action in sales order list view. So now if we go here and if we select this cancelled, and here it's not visible, right? So we will refresh the screen, and again we will save, we will select this cancelled, and here you can see set to quotation. If I click, then you can see this automatically updated the stages, right? So in this way we can achieve a lot of like mass updation of the records. We can do anything whatever you want, for let's say like changing the salesperson, sales team, any uh, different operations, like to update mass quotation date something, right? So in this way this server action will helpful to you.